Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to review the letter T. So we have our uppercase T and our lowercase t. What sound does T make? Very good. It makes the t sound. So today you're going to work on pages 19 and 20 in your MyView K.1 workbook. Okay, so we're going to work on page 19 together, and then you'll do page 20 on your own. I'll give you directions. So on page 19, the first thing I want you to do is draw a line between the pictures, between the rows of pictures. Okay, so let's look at this picture. We have the picture of a tire. What's the first sound we hear in tire? Right, it's tire. Okay, it's the first sound. Then here we have the picture of a pot. We hear the t sound at the end of the word, pot. Okay? So in this row, we're going to say each word, and we're going to circle it if it begins with t, if it's the first sound. In this row, we're going to say each word and circle it if it ends with t, so if it's the last sound. So here, tire, tire. Let's say each word. Top. Does top begin with t? It does, so we will circle it. Let's look at the next one. Rock. What's the first sound we hear in rock? Right, it's so we will not circle this one. Let's look at the next one. It's pointing to the dog's tail. Tail. What's the first sound we hear in tail? Very good, it's T. So we're going to circle this one. So now in this row, we're going to look for the words that end with T, the last sound that we hear. If it's T, we're going to circle it, like in pot. So let's look at our first one. We have cat. What's the last sound? At. The last sound is T, so we will circle it. Let's look at the next one. Boot. Boot. What's the last sound in boot? Very good. It's also T, so we will circle it. This is a dog. What's the last sound in dog? Good. G is the last sound, so we will not circle it. So here we have cat, boot. These both end with T. Here we have top and tail. They both begin with T. So on the other side, on page 20, you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to draw a line between the rows of pictures. On the top, you'll trace your uppercase T and lowercase t. And then you'll circle the ones that begin with T. 10 fish tail. Which ones begin with T? On the bottom, you'll trace uppercase and lowercase t, and you'll circle the ones that end with T. We have sun, bat, net. Okay? So these we're going to look for the ones that begin with T. These we're looking for the ones that end with T.